भारत भी विकसित राष्ट्र बनेगा।
Today, PM Modi is dedicating to the nation and laying foundation stone for 18 projects worth over rupees 9,000 crore. Foundation stone is being laid for missile test range at Nagayalanka in Andhra Pradesh, comprising of launch center, technical instrumentation facilities, indigenous radars, telemetry and electro-optical systems. This will enhance country's defense preparedness manifold. National highways projects being dedicated to the nation include widening of CS Puram to Malakonda to Singarayakonda and Sitaramapuram to Duttaluru sections. It will provide better connectivity to the famous temple of Malakonda and Udaygiri Fort. Widening of NH42 in Punganur town and 6-laning of Renigunta Poya Naidupeta section of NH71 will provide smooth connectivity to pilgrims visiting Tirupati Lord Balaji Temple, Sri Padmavati Amavari Temple and Sri Kalahasti and Kanipakam temples. 4-lane ROB will permanently eliminate traffic congestion caused due to level crossing number 17. 4-laning from East Breakwaters to Convent Junction will enhance port connectivity. 3rd rail line between new West Block Hut Cabin and Vijayawada stations and doubling of railway line between Bugganapalle Cement Nagar Panayam stations will strengthen rail connectivity between Rayalaseema and Amaravati. Foundation stone is also being laid for 4-laning of Gorantala to Hindupur. It will provide direct connectivity with NACIN and BEL. 4-laning of Mudanur to B Kotapalli section will improve regional connectivity. Widening of Nandyala Kurnool Kadapa border section and Mudireddipalle Kadapa Nellore border will enhance better connectivity with Veera Brahmendra Swami Temple. Construction of 6-lane elevated corridor in Ranasthalam town, Half Clover Leaf and ROB at Yeramanchi and Gudipalli villages. Construction of rail over rail between Guntakal West and Malappa Gate stations will bypass the freight trains touching Guntakal Junction, thus decongesting it. PM Ekta Mall at Madhuravada, Vishakhapatnam is being laid to promote ODOP, foster national integration, support Make in India, empower artisans and boost indigenous products. These development projects will give boost to agriculture, industrial, tourism and defense sectors and create new employment opportunities and strengthen the vision of developed Andhra Pradesh for developed India.
అద్భుతం. మరి కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం ద్వారా ఈ ప్రాజెక్టులన్నీ సాక్షాత్కారం కాబోతున్నాయి. ఒక్కసారి అందరం గట్టిగా చప్పట్లతోటి మన ప్రియతమ ప్రధానమంత్రి వర్యులకి కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేసుకుందాం. आज भारत के प्रधानमंत्री ने इस विश्व गुरु बनाने का सपना दिया है, बल्कि इस देश को एक स्वर्ण पंख दिए हैं जिसे अमरावती एक उड़ान भरने को तैयार है. भारत के विश्वकर्मा कहा जाने वाले भारत के प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी भारत के उम्मीद है, भारत के आशा है, भारत का हौसला है और भारत के घर घर में और हमारे दिल में रहते हैं. अभी हम अनुरोध करते हैं हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी इस पावन अवसर पर हमारे अमरावती के शुभ प्रारंभोत्सव संदर्भं अमूल्य संदेश प्रस्तुत करें.
तल्ली दुर्गा भवानी कोल्लू विन्नाई पुण्य भूमि पे मी अंदरीनी कलवड़म नाको आनंद मुहा उन्नति आंध्र प्रदेश के राज्यपाल सैयद अब्दुल नजीर जी, मुख्यमंत्री, मेरे मित्र श्री चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी, केंद्रीय कैबिनेट के मेरे सहयोगी मंत्रीगण, डिप्टी सीएम ऊर्जावान पवन कल्याण जी,